Why should anyone trust Evervest Home Buyers?
Why should anybody? Well, I consider myself a very honest, loyal, straightforward person. Hopefully it comes through in this video. If it's not, I'm kind of a no, I kind of tell it as it is. You know, I mean, I'll tell you, I'm not rude. I'm very confidential. I'm very loyal. That's kind of like one of my things. But if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. Mm-hmm. You know, my competition, that's not necessarily always the case. There are companies out there, obviously, that are very forthright. Our company is very straightforward. I believe that kind of my word's my bond. If I tell you I'm going to close, mm-hmm. I'm going to close. The only reason I won't close is if you can't give me clear title to the house. If there's some kind of title issue which would keep you from being able to sell it. Title company that we work with is a great title company. They're going to do their best to clean up any title. And if not, at the very least, you would get educated as into what you could do to have that title cleaned up, if that's possible. I've run across a couple situations in the homes we've bought where they've not been able to, and the house was in a situation where it just couldn't be sold basically ever, which is unfortunate.